Okay, so today we're gonna be going into the interesting topic, which is recording, although not editing your video. And I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to do it. You have hopefully completed all of the steps that you've been ready for. So today we're just gonna formalize it. And just because I'm over the controls, I'm gonna be removing my face just to be on the safe side. Now, the whole idea is you have your game, you have your display capture, your audio mixer is ready to go. And what you need to be doing is starting the recording. You do it by pressing either the key press, which you have already prepared, or alternatively you do and press the start recording. So the moment you press record, you just start reading out the hook out loud. And then you start from the hook, and then you just go and comment and react naturally what's on screen. I would kindly advise you to make sure that you actually don't forget to take the screenshots while you're playing your game. And also do try to provide the commentary. That's the secret sauce. So once you have actually finished with the recording, you then just press stop recording. And today I'm going to be showing you right there what is my process. So once my file is done, it is just labeled like this into the raw OBS folder. That's from the root folder that I've shown you how to set up in the initial setup. Then I go to the label folder, Occupy Mars with the game, because I like to record multiple series going at the same time. I know, and this is my originating folder for video editing. Now, I know, I said you guys won't be editing, and you won't. But if you have set up everything correctly, once you double click this video, everything is gonna be working just fine. You're gonna have the audio balance and everything. The pros of recording with a simple audio setup is the moment you press record, everything works. Everything is fine and no problems whatsoever. The downside is if your voiceover is too high or your music is too loud, you cannot correct it later. That becomes a bit of a problem. So from that perspective, those are pros and cons of recording with a simple setup. Now I'm going to be showing you how to record in multiple setup with multiple audio tracks, which actually solves this problem within my course on video editing and recording, but that's going to be taken a little bit further. So this has been a very, very brief introduction in how to record. You have prepared everything yesterday, and today you're just doing the recording, and tomorrow we're going to publish this bad boy. So if you want to see how to do it, check this video next.